Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arundhati and in this video I am going to unbox a box of Smytten. Let's do it. From this website you can get sample size products is trial, and after that you can order the full size product. In this I have ordered 6 sample size products, and they come in this type of bubble wrap packaging. Yes. First product of this sample kit is the soft heel cream. It is the brand name is Aranya. It is of 25 gram, and the price is not mentioned. It is a sample product. If you like the cream, then you can order the full size product. And the second product is this 95cc cream, Lakme CC cream. I got 3 pouch of this CC cream. It is, I think, 3 ml product. It has SPF 30 PA++. Yeah, this is the second product I have got. And the third product is this lip slash eyeliner. It is from brand Roselle. I don't know the name. You can see that color. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that's good color. And next product is that Uplift Entrance Caffeine Face Cream with argan oil and vitamin E. It is quantity is 8 ml, and that much product you are getting. The packaging is very good. Okay, I am going to use that. And my second last product is, and fifth product is that lavender face wash, and the quantity is, where it is mentioned, I don't remember that quantity. I think 40 ml. Yeah, it's priced 200. It is 60 ml product. Okay, good quantity. As a sample product you are getting, that means then it is very good. And next cream. It is not a cream, it is aloe vera gel. Same one. These two are of same brand. And in this way I am getting same. It is also of 200. I mean, its MRP is 200. Okay, 40 ml product, I think. No, 60 ml product. Okay, these 6 products I am getting in my sample kit. Okay, thank you. And I want to mention that I have only paid the delivery charge for this, and I have paid total 199 rupees, and from that I am getting 168 rupees returned to my Smytten wallet. That can I use in my further purchase. And that much. Yes, I have paid that from PayPal, then so that I have get 100 rupees coupon, I think. 100 rupees coupon. Thank you. If you want to purchase this sample, then you can purchase that from my link. I will put my link in the description below. Thank you.